Well, apparently you wanted it. Got over 100 views on my third burping video. So I'm going to be making another one. Once again, I have not warmed up today, but apparently when I don't warm up, they're pretty good. And also I just ate, so my stomach's kind of full. So they're not going to be that good because food's taking up space in my stomach, so there's no room for air. Here we go. Stabbed my toe. Frick. That's bad. That's another bad one. Oh my gosh. Get that video done. One more and then this video's over. Try to make this a good one. Good ending.